muthenya narua gavana wa Meru Murungi na kinyite kitune kia polisi aja mutino joka ngangi nikenda batetheria mathaga ja kurwa murimo jwa corona araugite nyambo ne antu bagitumi mbono abe muistari jwa mbere kwithwa bakuriwa na murimo juju untu burenya babwirithwa bagikaria.
Kwa hiyo ugonjwa hauna governor, hauna president, hauna police, hauna bishop, hata daktari, hata polisi, kila mtu anaweza kushikwa na ugonjwa. Ndio unaona tumeshikana sisi sote, serikali kuu, serikali ya county na wananchi kupigana na ugonjwa.
Ala munini wa county commissioner Dene Northimenti augite murimo juju jotumba kuri wa thirikari ya county kigana thirikari nene kana nyama bisa bokaria ndene mtu wenga kiumbe ubwiri gushitaniria kwithirwa akimenyera.
Tunapata information kila siku na hawa hawalali kafyo kuanzia saa 1 mpaka asubuhi wako pale, lakini wananchi wamekuwa kichwa ngumu, wengine wanafuata sheria na wengine hawafuati. Kwa hivyo hili janga haitegemei serikali ya county ama serikali kuu, inategemea you as a individual. Fuata sheria, kwa sababu ukifuata sheria, mambo ya distancing, kuosha mkono ni kwa usalama wako.
Arakinyite sibitari nene nikenda mutegera county Meru mbite kuthe kibanga ukeja kwithwa kwina mwajie ukeja kugwatana murimo juju.
Murimo yo itumbikana njirengi tigabwirie njara buchebire kuma kiri kundi nabo kareni nja cienu. Ije ni ndawa tukareta nyuma tukathithia indi nkurikania antu betu gutena ndawa ya kuoria murimo juju kuthikirira thirikari kuga tuceberie kiri murimo.
Arankuru Kenya ninto mwanya bila bigatetheria mandaktari kwithwa bakirwo na murimo juju na wabisa munene kirwangirwo gima ethirwa akitariria bimwa biria bombete kwithwa bakigura.
We have a full personal protective kits which is in the white bag. We have ordered 500. Right now we have 50 that have arrived and the others will be en route. We have ordered the 3-ply surgical masks, what I am wearing, 115,000 of them. We have ordered the infrared gun thermometers, 50 units. We have the N95 masks, which will be used by the health workers who will be interacting either with the suspected COVID-19 cases or confirmed cases. We have 700 of them. We have sanitizers, which we make here. So at the moment we have 500 bottles. We have 100,000 gloves, ordinary examination gloves. 200,000 ordinary examination gloves, and as well as 100,000 nitrile gloves.
Gavana Meru gamoroto jojo mbere ni gutigira madaktari bonde ba kwithwa bakirigire kumania murimo juju.
Atoyete na kureta equipment ile gatetheria ndagitari kwirigiria murimo ira bakurigitira antu bangi kwa tukwaletera ngwira bagwikira cia PPE barete 500 tukwaletera 50 na tugetambere kubatetheria nikenda bomba kwirita gwetambere gutetheria antu betu
ntubura bwati mbaru ni munini wawe Titans tocio
budget ira gavana anankandire 36 million budget itathira. The orders are still being processed, so there will be more materials coming. So I want to confirm that our health care workers, we want to make sure that you are protected at all times, all of you. You will be safe, but we are very sure that.
Nkiripotera World TV Bitamuthuri Muriuki.